Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are in Alaçatı Port, which is located in one of the most beautiful bays of Turkey. Alaçatı Port is located 1 hour drive from Adnan Menderes Airport and 5 minutes drive to Alaçatı Center. Apart from the yacht harbor, fancy restaurants, surf club, there are also 300 residences in this area. Soon we will dedicate a whole new episode about the surf area of this location. Thank you very much for watching. See you!